Manual batch process allows to processing of batches that are prepared in kitchen. This is the most accurate way for the system to calculate your batch usage. Select the date on which batch is prepared, and put comments. Segregate the batch selection group or use the search feature to filter a batch. Batch unit can also be changed based on batch output unit selection. Enter the batch quantity prepared on the day or period. Batch cost will be automatically calculated by the system based on entered quantity. Total cost will be displayed while processing the batches. Save batch. The screen shows total batch processed amount including ingredients used cost. Delete button is available to erase the entry. Click on Processed Amount to view processed batches. Date selection can also be changed in manual batch processing.